show you how to run and configure your dCloud on macOS. So first of all, open your test flight. If you don't have test flight on your Mac, just install it using the App Store, and then using the public link I will give you in the description of this video, you can install dCloud. So the current version and tested one for macOS is the 1.154. So click on install. You will see here all the description and what to test. So basically now it's installed. Click on open. This is what's new, and then click next, start testing. All right, this is your initial screen. This is the deep browse, basically deep browse. You can create folders, and this is the main screen to add files and pictures and whatever you want to upload to BTFS. You can use this screen, okay? So first step is to go to settings and initialize your BTFS repository. This will basically create .btfs on your system and automatically configure it as a host and renter, okay? So just click here, and in order to confirm that everything is ready, you will see this folder .btfs. So a little bit of background, this config file is very important for your node if you are, especially if you are transferring thousands of or millions of BTT. It's very important to back up this file. This is basically containing your key, your private key, and seed phrase. Okay, so next step is to reboot or restart your app. So the dCloud app starts the daemon, the BTFS daemon. All right, so you have now a node ID, also a public address here. So next step is to fill out your node with some BTT from using BTTC, of course. It's very important to use the BTTC network. If you try to transfer BTT from on Tron, that won't help, okay? So be careful and always use the BTTC version. So now, after you see the node ID and your public address here and the BTFS version, go to dweb and click here on the QR code, and now you need to transfer some BTT there. I recommend to send at least 1000 because starting, I don't recall, I believe it's starting on version 2.1, and there's a transaction on the mainnet that will consume around 90 BTT per day, so be cautious on that. Okay, so I'm gonna send, I'm using my phone right now, so I will send 2000 BTT just to start. And after a while you will see this changing here automatically. This usually takes like no more than 1 minute. Looks like it's confirmed. Yeah, okay. So as you see, the screen here automatically updates. That means your wallet is initialized, your daemon is up and running, and then it's very important on the dashboard. If you are using the dashboard constantly, it's important to click here to submit. So the API endpoint is updated. Click submit, and then you can navigate on your dashboard. And also another feedback for the user is this green node status. That means the host is enabled and render is enabled and everything is up and running. Okay, so in this settings screen, basically you can configure the duration of your files. The default is 32 days, but you can configure or increase it whatever you like. Okay, it's important to understand that the more time you are giving for your files, it will require more BTT. Okay, so be conscious of that. Also, for macOS users, you can unlock using biometrics, right? So you can protect your dCloud app with a code or your fingerprint. All right, if you go to the wallet, now you have you will have your balance here as BTT. One important note here is that in order to upload files, it will require your vault address or your vault address to have some balance there. So first step before going here and uploading files is to go to the wallet section and swap some BTT. First, you need to swap to WBTT. I'm gonna swap, let's say 800 to WBTT. And then from WBTT to WBTT Vault. Okay. All right, that's it. As soon as you have some balance in your Vault address, then you're good to go. Then you can start adding some files, folders. You can organize whatever you like. Let's say random files. Let's put like 10 files. Okay, I'm going to this folder and then add from storage. Let's add test file here. It will take some seconds until it recognizes the VTFS session. All right, so this is basically the signature that is telling us that the config file is being uploaded, and I'm still pending to improve this section of the UI with a progress bar or something, but basically you have the link now and you need to wait a little bit in order for the host to confirm your file storage. So please do not shut down dCloud until like 1 minute, and then your file will be on the network. Okay, so we can go back and your files will be here. You can copy, move to another folder, whatever. And if you somehow forget or didn't click on the copy hash, you can go here to the dweb and click on files, and you will see the folders, the folders you created here in the dbrowse. You will see the same folders here, and you can copy your QM hash here. Okay, yeah, this is temporary. In later phases you will be able to copy the hash directly from this UI, but in the meantime you can do it here. Okay, so the terminal window is still on progress. I'm planning to have this done maybe Q1 for 2023, but I already have some insights on how to do it. All right, so that's it. It's very simple to configure dCloud. Just just one restart and fill out your wallet with BTT, and that's it. Okay, so the balance is decreased now. You remember we swapped 800 BTT and now we have 799. So that means the file is already uploaded. Okay, for example, if we go here and just paste the hash, it's there. Okay, so it's uploaded and ready to use. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. This is dCloud B154. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.